Om friends, welcome to our channel Zazen Tarot Space. In today's reading, we will see what the month June 2023 is bringing for our Aquarius friends. Let us first shuffle and pull out our cards, and then we will move to the reading. And our last few cards. So we have our cards ready. So Aquarius, these are your cards. We will first begin with the oracle cards of yours. The Lover. This is one hell of a card because it promises that the time coming up for you will be so rich, so complete and fulfilling in terms of experiences, especially in terms of experiences related to the senses. This is, just as a lover completely gives in to the emotion that he is feeling, this card says that in this month you will be so full of senses, so full of emotions in response to whatever is happening around you in a good way, in a very positive way. You will live those experiences to the fullest. You can, you can indulge your senses in things like going for musical concerts, going to the art and theater, going for exhibitions, appreciating the beauty around you. You may travel to places which have a lot of natural surroundings and really live the mountains, live the oceans. You will feel connected to things around you, to people around you. Beautiful time to feel that connection, to form that connection, to form associations, that bondage, where you can really enjoy a person to the fullest. Just as a lover looks at their beloved and feels this sense of awe, complete appreciation. Similarly, you will feel that sense of awe and appreciation for life in this month. You will be living fully and completely and feeling that sense of connection as well as expansion. Being in the moment and enjoying fully. Your next oracle card is the Pig Spirit. Use your mind wisely. Now we have quite a contradiction here. On the one hand, we have intuitive emotion, feeling, connections. On the other hand, we have a card which says balance, which says that right use of intelligence is important because only intuition and feeling is not enough. It says that in this month there will be important decisions to be made, important situations to be handled, where you will need to come up with intelligent solutions. But you cannot do that only when you are emotionally driven. There will be an environment of emotional fulfillment around you, which means you will be having lots of people loving you, enriching you, nourishing you. But this card, big card, says that okay, now you need to use your smartness, use your common sense. Okay, use your intuition, but then balance it with common sense, intelligence, smartness, and move towards an intelligent solution. This is also one card which says it's a kind of a what should I say, guidance for you, that whenever you are faced with your decision, you need to keep your thinking clear. Do not allow it to get foggy or clouded. And you also need to have an open mind. Even if you feel you know everything about the situation, you have to be open to all the facts, listen to everything carefully, read all the documents, acknowledge all the facts, even those facts that are in contradiction to that which you already know. Do not dismiss anything, and then with an open mind you need to take your decisions. You can even need to, it will be good if you kind of discuss things before taking decisions. Discuss with yourself, with your friends, with other people. Take a stable decision, because this is a month which will have important decision making. Your last oracle, Mountain Lion. Stock is my pursuit, both honorable and focus. Now again, this card says, ask yourself, because this is a strange combination here. Do not get obsessive. There may be a tendency to get obsessed with something or someone. This card is saying you need to be careful. What you're feeling is fine. Your object of affection is fine. What you are moving towards is fine. But guard against doing something wrong, doing something unethical. You need to question yourself. Overindulgences can be a theme in this month. So now we will look at your tarot cards. The Emperor card. A good month to have all sorts of support, especially from people who are, your support system, your father, maybe elders, bosses, good support system from the government authorities, a good time to feel that safety of home, feeling that protection. This is a good time where you will feel that life is flowing smoothly and things are in order, which is good. This stabilizing energy is needed uh, in an otherwise month of intense emotions. The Lovers card. Again, now look at this, the Lover and then the Lovers. I mean, this is a month of complete indulgences. You really need to be careful of any kind of overindulgence and obsessions here. But this is a good month for starting new relationships, feeling that fulfilled, uh, you know, uh, fulfillment by connecting with anybody and everybody around you. It could be animals, it could be nature, people, relationships, anything. You will feel that closeness and bond, and you will thoroughly enjoy it. You will relish it. Eight of Cups. God, now that is a contradictory energy coming here. For quite a few of you, what I see here is that you may be ending some relationships and beginning some new relationships, or you may be moving on from some ties, breaking some ties because they do not any longer serve your purpose or they do not feel fulfilling, and then you are looking for new, or you come across new relationships, new areas that fulfill you. They may be relationships, or they may be like you maybe stop learning the piano and start learning the guitar, something like that. It could be anything, but you are done with one thing and you are starting with another thing related to the senses, related to emotions. Now, the next thing we're gonna see is how you are feeling in this month, how your internal state is, how you will deal, what your mood swings, etc. are like. Projections is your first card. Morality. And your third card is nothingness. Okay. Okay, Aquarius. There may be a tendency in this month to be clouded by your ideologies, to be clouded by your sense of what is right and what is wrong. You will see a transition where you will free your mind of these kinds of thinking patterns and move beyond them. Such incidents could happen where you will be forced to drop your previously gathered ideologies, and you will clear off old thinking patterns, old perceptions, old judgments. There may be situations which will challenge you, which will say challenge your thought pattern, challenge you and say that, okay, you thought that these kind of people, let's say people with this colored hair, are ugly. Look at this, look at the beauty of this colored hair. So things which will break your thought patterns. Now, looking at the different areas of your life, first looking at your finances, you have the Page of Cups for your finances. So you will indulge, you will spend on your loved ones, you will spend on new romances. There is a lot of indication here for you, Aquarius, that you may be beginning with a new romance, a new relationship, or a new hobby, something that you're passionate about, and you're going to spend money on that. and you will find fulfillment, you will find that enriching. Another thing is that you will not be very practical about money matters this month. You will take an emotional approach here also. You will take a more intuitive approach. Okay, Six of Pentacles for career. This is a good card. I can see your efforts will be rewarded. You will find that whatever you wish is easily coming to you, and you will find support from your superiors. You will also support your team members or your juniors, which is a great thing here. Financially, if you're into business, money will flow in. And love and marriage, death, rebirth. So this is the final card, which ultimately completely confirms our that which the cards have continuously been saying, that there could definitely be the end of one relationship and the beginning of a new relationship. So Aquarius, this is your reading for the month of June. Do have a lovely time. Take very good care of yourselves. Om friend.